Let me share a story with you. I once had a student who scored AL6 at PSLE. She completely lost confidence in herself. I helped her to see that everything you do has to start from somewhere. Together, we celebrated small wins and made incremental progress. Within 2 years, she moved from G1 to G2 and then from G2 to G3. Today, she is consistently scoring A1 for her math, and that's why I do what I do. When it comes to math, success isn't just about scores. It's about confidence, understanding, and believing I can do this. That's why I started Genius Plus Academy 8 years ago. I built Genius Plus Academy on one belief: every child can master math if they have the right help. We only specialize in math so that we know everything about what it takes to excel in this subject. I have personally written over 60 textbooks and 40 workbooks for students like your child. When I design each textbook, I carefully scaffold each concept, building from the easier ones to the more challenging problems, so that students will never feel intimidated or overwhelmed. My goal is simple. I want your child to celebrate small wins every week, and I want those small wins to build their confidence and to encourage them to do even better. If you would like us to work with your child, I would like to invite your child for a trial lesson. Click the link below to register for a trial lesson, and if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me at my number.